I'm going to go over 3 different things that you may not know about Final Cut Pro for iPad. 3 hidden features, if you will. So let's actually get right into these hidden features. The first hidden feature is the least hidden feature because Apple showed it off themselves, okay? Which is if you click on the third icon here, you can do it with an Apple Pencil or without. I'll show you both methods. You can see here that since I have an Apple Pencil and I am drawing on here, okay? Alternatively, if you don't have an Apple Pencil, you can click the 3 dots and then click on Draw with Finger, and it will have a similar effect. And then I just hit Done here and have my live drawing there. Now, with that said, I can hit Inspect on the live drawing, and then I can actually change how long it takes to, go on there. Like if it goes on all instantly or takes its actual time, which I think is pretty cool. That's a feature called live drawing. Now the second hidden feature is a little more hidden. The second hidden feature is actually picture-in-picture. You see this image that I'm looking at, or rather video I'm looking at right now, where I can click the box here next to the 37%. You see at the bottom right hand of the video. And then I can hit picture-in-picture. What that would do, it will let me move this while I'm still, scrubbing, looking through the timeline and stuff. So basically anything I would have seen there, I, just have picture-in-picture. So I'm able to look at stuff more than if I went back to normal. I just hit exit picture-in-picture, and bada bing, bada boom. That's picture-in-picture. And now for the final one, you actually need to connect a keyboard. It can be any keyboard, okay? It doesn't have to be Apple's official keyboard. It doesn't have to be the Magic Trackpad. It can be a Bluetooth keyboard. So make sure you have any keyboard plugged in, then hold down the command button, okay? Yeah, you see what's happening there? I'm able to see all the commands that are available by default with Final Cut Pro for iPad. As you can see, the basic copy, cut, delete command, select all, next edit, next frame, so on and so forth. Because at the time of making this video, we can't add our own commands as far as I know, but we can sort of pull up a cheat sheet of commands that we can use. So that's good to know. Again, you just hold command with any keyboard you have connected. I have the MX keys, Logitech MX keys connected to it right now. I'll put a link to that in the description below if you want to check it out. It's pretty cool. It lets you connect to multiple devices, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I have that, and I'm able to use command just fine, so I just wanted to point that out. And yeah, that is all of the 3 hidden features that I'm going to talk about in Final Cut Pro for iPad. This isn't every single feature, but I want to highlight these 3 features since I don't think all of them are super well known. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.